Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to unpack RAR or zip files using app called Rar on your REALME GT 2 Pro. So in order to do that, first thing we need to find the RAR or zip file that we want to unpack, and mine is located in DCIM camera. Now you can find it right here, it's pictures.rar. Let's open it, and in order to unpack it we'll need to press this arrow pointing up right here, and it selected all of the files. You can also select the files that you specifically want and then unpack them only. So I'm gonna pick all of them anyway and press this arrow again. Here, first thing is to browse and select the destination where the files will be unpacked, and I'm gonna go for movies right here. Now press OK to save that, and you can change a lot of settings right here as well. The first one is to ask before override, change it to override without prompt, or skip existing files. You can enable to keep broken files or do not extract paths. You can also enable to display the extracted files. Now press OK to unpack it. You will need to enter the password if the archive is protected. So let me enter the password because I know one. You can disable show password in order to hide the password. Now press OK to unpack it again and go back. Let's check the movies folder, and the 3 pictures are right here. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.